some random thoughts about heaven and hell. In the third week of August 2018, we have gone through the experience of heaven and hell and seen gods and devils. Religions teach about heaven and hell. Seeds of the concept is planted in the minds of small kids which grow up with the growth of children. We do not have opportunity to see heaven and hell which religions teach us. However, we have gone through the experience recently. Beautiful hills and valleys which offered panoramic view have become hell after the terrific flood. Many homes which were heaven have become hell. During the period, we have seen gods and devils. Many persons sacrificed their lives in their attempt to save the lives of others. Fishermen and army personnel saved lives of many flood victims, putting their own lives at stake. They are no less than God. Those rescuers have declined money offered by the victims and their family members, saying that it is their duty to help fellow human beings. IAS officers, doctors, and other such persons have worked continuously in their efforts to help others. Many voluntary organizations have helped flood victims. Some of them have done manual jobs as well. A rescuer has offered his bike as a stepping stone for the victims to enter the boat. A small girl who collected money for purchasing a bicycle donated the entire amount for the flood victims. Another girl has donated her inherited property for relief work. These are a few examples of concern for colleagues and the society as a whole. There are also vultures in the society. They have no humanity or concern for human beings. Even for small helps, they have charged exorbitantly. When there was no electricity at their houses, some persons approached others for charging their mobile phones, for which they charged exorbitantly. Many shops have charged unreasonably for the materials, taking advantage of shortage of materials. Materials which were given for supply in the relief camps were sold in shops. Those materials were marked as not for sale. After the floods, residential areas are flooded with persons collecting money and materials for the victims. Receipts are not given for the amount or materials collected. The amount so collected is unaccounted. Any amount which is collected for the flood victims is supposed to be accounted. God knows whether money and materials reach the hands of the victims. Any donation for flood victims should be routed through authorized agencies for which proper receipt should be given. Collection of money with selfish motives must be discouraged. Then there were thieves and looters who took advantage to steal valuable things from the unoccupied houses. Persons left the houses leaving all valuable things to save their own lives. Taking advantage of the situation, thieves entered the houses and took away ornaments and other valuable items. They do not have any human consideration. The flood was a good lesson which gave opportunity to learn and see persons of different nature. We have seen heaven and hell and gods and devils during the period.